Welcome to another video on how to delete your TikTok account. Hey guys, I'm Akim from Create Login and Delete, and let's get started. So first, go ahead and open up TikTok application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, tap on your profile. And now from the profile page, tap on three horizontal lines at the upper right corner and select Settings and Privacy. Once you land on the settings page, tap on Account, and from here select Deactivate or Delete Account and click on Delete Account Permanently. Now TikTok will ask you to select a reason why you want to delete your account. You can select any one from the given reasons and tap on Continue button. Now if you want to download your TikTok data, simply click on Request Download the highlighted text, or else put on a check mark and tap on Continue. Again, tap on Continue, and now TikTok will send a 6-digit code to your phone number that is associated with the TikTok account. So enter your code, and finally, to finalize the action, click on Delete Account. That's it. With this, your TikTok account will be deleted. So I really hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to us for more great contents. Thanks for watching.